Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super important topic in English, prepositions. You've probably seen words like in, on, at, under, and so on, but knowing when and how to use them correctly can be tricky. Don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll be a prepositions pro. Let's get started. So what exactly are prepositions? Prepositions are those small but powerful words that connect different parts of a sentence. They help show relationships of place, time, and movement. Let me give you a few examples. The book is on the table. Here, on shows the position of the book. I was born in July. The preposition in tells us when something happened. He walked into the room. The word into shows movement from one place to another. Pretty straightforward, right? Let's break down each category in more detail next. All right, let's talk about prepositions of place. These are used to tell us where something is located. Here are some common examples. In, the keys are in the drawer. This shows that the keys are inside the drawer. On, the laptop is on the desk. This means the laptop is on the surface of the desk. Under, the shoes are under the bed. In this case, under tells us the position below the bed. Between, the park is between the school and the hospital. This shows the park is in the middle of those two places. Now let's move on to prepositions of time. These prepositions help us understand when something happens. Here are some examples to make it clear. At, the train arrives at 6 p.m. We use at for specific times. On, my birthday is on Monday. Use on for specific days and dates. In, we met in December. Use in for months, years, or longer periods. Since, she has lived here since 2010. Since refers to a starting point in the past that continues up to now. Easy, right? Prepositions of time are super useful once you get the hang of them. Next up, we have prepositions of movement. These prepositions describe direction or movement from one place to another. Let's go through some examples. Into, he walked into the building. This shows movement from outside to inside. Out of, she ran out of the house. This describes movement from inside to outside. Onto, the cat jumped onto the chair. Onto means moving to a surface. From, they came from Spain. This shows the starting point of a movement. Understanding these can really help you express motion clearly in English. Prepositions are absolutely essential for clear communication in English. They help us describe where and how things happen. The key to mastering them? Practice, practice, practice. Speaking of practice, here are a few exercises to test what you've learned. The keys are the table. I was born 1999. She walked the door. Let's quickly check the answers to the exercises. The keys are on the table. I was born in 1999. She walked through the door. Great job if you got all of them right. Remember, practicing prepositions in real sentences will help you improve your fluency even more. Keep up the hard work and you'll master them in no time. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you found today's lesson helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons and exercises to improve your English. Keep practicing, and remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Follow us for more useful and fun resources. See you in the next lesson.